Okay, I took the broken pieces off the 3D printer, the ones that got damaged in the mail. These are the broken ones. We took them off. This is another one that's broken. Replaced them with new ones, which my friend 3D printed, so they're nice new. And I soaked a bit of super glue in to the laminations just to make sure that it maintains its structural integrity. It stays really strong. Put the bushings in, clean them up, and put the belt back on. Put the new motor mount back on the other side, and the bushings are in. Anyway, it's all good. And this one was broken, if you remember, on the other one, and it's intact on here. So the nut's going to go in there, which lifts it up and down. So anyway, we're all good to put back onto the printer, and just waiting for just got to get a new frame next. Basically, you just remove all of this and just mount it all directly onto a new frame. So this section is really one piece, so it's easy to move across. So anyway, just a little short update.